Gaganyaan, India's first manned mission to space, is scheduled to be launched in late 2023 or early 2024. It will carry a crew of 2 astronauts and orbit the Earth for a few days. ISRO successfully launched the Amazonia 1 satellite, Brazil's first completely indigenous satellite, on February 28, 2021. It was the first fully operational satellite to be launched by ISRO's new PSLV-DL variant. In 2022, ISRO successfully conducted the first-ever vertical landing test of its reusable launch vehicle, the Winged Reusable Launch Vehicle, RLVTD. This technology will pave the way for more cost-effective and sustainable space missions. ISRO's Mars Orbiter mission, also known as Mangalyaan, completed its 1,000 Earth days in orbit around Mars in June 2023. It was launched on November 5, 2013, and remains functional, providing valuable scientific data. India's Chandrayaan-2 mission, launched in July 2019, included the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover. Although the landing did not go as planned, the orbiter is still operational and continues to gather data about the Moon. ISRO has made significant progress in the development of a semi-cryogenic engine, which will enhance the lifting capacity of future GSLV Mk3 rockets. This engine is expected to use a combination of liquid oxygen and kerosene as propellants. ISRO successfully launched the GSLV Mk3D2 rocket on November 14, 2018, carrying the GS-80-29 communication satellite. This launch marked the first operational mission of India's heaviest launch vehicle, capable of placing 4-ton class satellites into geosynchronous transfer orbit. India's first solar mission, Aditya L1, is being developed by ISRO to study the Sun. It is planned to be launched in 2022 and will observe the solar corona, solar flares, and other solar phenomena to gain insights into the Sun-Earth connection. ISRO's Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, SSLV, is being developed as a cost-effective solution for launching small satellites into low Earth orbit. It is designed to carry payloads up to 500 kilograms and is expected to debut soon. In recent years, ISRO has been actively collaborating with international space agencies and organizations. It has signed agreements with NASA, ESA, JAXA, and other space agencies for joint missions, satellite launches, and scientific collaborations. These partnerships contribute to the advancement of space research and exploration.